Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe in this pandemic situation. Wear your mask when you're coming out. Okay. Today in this lesson, we are going to learn our book back exercises. Lesson 3 book back exercises. Okay. Lesson 3 book back exercises. First exercise is tick the correct answer. We are going to learn tick the correct answer. Which part look like a television set? Which part of a computer looks like a TV? Okay, looks like a TV. So easily you will come to know that is monitor. Okay, that is monitor. Monitor only looks like a TV, isn't it? Nowadays monitor also comes in LCD mode and sleek in model. Okay, like TV it is coming. Okay, so monitor is looking like a TV. Which part tells other part what to do? Means which part of the computer controls the other part. Okay, keeps everyone in control. Okay, which part of a computer keeps every other parts in control. Okay, that is CPU. Okay, understand, CPU is the device which controls the other device. Okay, CPU is the device which controls the other parts. Understand? Okay, now which part has many buttons called keys? Many more buttons. Okay, which part has, see, keyboard. Keyboard has so many buttons, isn't it? It has alphabetic keys, numeric keys, special keys, and space bars, then functional keys. Okay, so it has so many keys within it. So the part has many buttons called as keyboard. Okay, which part points at small pictures on the screen? Even the small pictures also can be pointed. Okay, with this, which device it is? It is called a mouse. Okay, mouse only can be used to point a small icons. Small pictures also can be pointed out with a mouse. Okay, so mouse is the right option. Okay, then which part is used to listen to music? Okay, which part is used to listen to music? That is speaker. Okay, speaker. Usually listen to music in general is speaker. Without disturbing, if you want to listen to music, then headphone we will use. Okay, both the way we will use, but here generally it is speaker only. Okay, then the second part. Okay, the second means B section. Guess my name. I am the brain of a computer. Okay, I am the brain of a computer. Who am I? I am CPU. Okay, I am CPU. I have keys that open no locks. Okay, I have keys, so many keys that open no locks. Okay, you cannot open many locks with the keys. What is that? Keyboard, isn't it? So many keys are there. Can we open many locks with these keys? No, isn't it? Okay, so this is the right answer. I am a part that is named after an animal. Okay, mouse. Mouse is that mouse is that computer part which is named after an animal. Okay, then I am a device that is used to print. Okay, I am a device which is used to print. So printer is a device part of computer which is used to print. Okay, so these are the guess my name answers. Okay, now the C part. Okay, see here, Vishu, Bhela, Rayan and Alia are pointing different parts of the computer. Write the names of the parts each one is pointing at. Okay, see, the first guy Vishu is pointing out the monitor. So we should write monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Okay, so he's pointing out the monitor. Then Bella is pointing out keyboard, isn't it? She's pointing out at keyboard. Okay, then see Alia. Alia is pointing out at CPU. Okay, she is pointing out at CPU. Then Ryan is pointing out at mouse. Okay, Ryan is pointing out at mouse. Okay, so these four are pointing out at different parts. Then help Mickey each to reach the banana. Color the rocks with the name of the parts of the computer. Okay, the monkey has to go and reach the banana tree. Okay, but the monkey will jump only at the computer parts, will not jump at other parts. Okay, so the monkey, how it will jump? See, the monkey first will jump on CPU, isn't it? It will jump on CPU, then it will jump on keyboard, then it will jump on monitor, then it will jump on speaker, then this will jump on mouse. That's all. The monkey has reached the banana tree. Okay, how nicely, isn't it? The monkey has jumped on the parts of computer and reached the banana. Now the monkey is very happy, isn't it? Okay, now we will go to question and answer part. Which part of a computer has a screen? Okay, which part of a computer has a screen? Monitor. Okay, monitor is a part of a computer has a screen. Okay, can you spell the monitors along with me? Okay, can we spell? M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Okay, very good children. Next, second question. Which part of a computer helps to type? Okay, which part of a computer sorry, so much of disturbance. Which part of a computer helps to type? That is keyboard. Okay, keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Then the third one. Which part of a computer helps to select and move icons? Okay, which part of a computer helps to select and move icons? That is mouse. Mouse is the part of computer helps to select and move icons. Okay, can we spell along with me? M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. I hope you all know the spelling for mouse. Okay, now we will move on to the next. What is the use of printer? What is the use of printer? A printer is used to print any document. Okay, the printer is used to print any document. Okay, so print only, you read only print. Okay, P-R-I-N-T, print. Okay, P-R-I-N-T, print. P-R-I-N-T, print. P-R-I-N-T, print. P-R-I-N-T, print. Okay, so like this you have to read all the words again and again repeatedly at least 5 times. Only then the word spellings will come and stick in your mind. Okay, kid? So you have to read along with me. Okay? Then we will move on to next slide. See here, the question is like this: which part of a computer should me to use to do these tasks? Help me to match the task to the picture. Okay, that is, which part of a computer should me to use? Okay, me to want to use which part she has to use to do these tasks. Okay, okay, to do these tasks. The center one are all tasks or all jobs. Me to want to do all these jobs. Okay, with which part of computer she can do that job? Okay, so that is the question. Okay, first one is type a letter. Okay, which one she will use? Type a letter. Keyboard can be used to type a letter, isn't it? Isn't it? So me too can use keyboard to type a letter. Then what is the second task? Second task is scan a paragraph. Okay, scan a paragraph. So me too want to scan some paragraph. With which one she will use? With which one she will use? She will use this scanner. Okay, she will use this scanner to scan a paragraph. Then third one, watch a movie. Now me too want to watch a movie. Okay, which one she will use? Which part of computer she will use? She will use this. Okay, isn't it? She will use monitor to watch the movie. Okay, now she wants to draw some picture. Now she wants to draw some picture. Which part she will use? She will use this mouse, isn't it? She will use this mouse to draw a picture. Now she want to print a letter. Now me too want to print a letter. Which part she will use? See here, she will use this printer. She will use this printer. Okay. Now the last task is listen to music. She wants to listen music. Okay, which part she will use? She will use this speaker. Okay, she will use this speaker to listen the music. So these are the tasks can be completed with help of the other part of computer. Okay, so this is how you should draw a line and match them. Okay, kids, now finally we are going to learn some do's and don'ts for using computer. What and all can be done with a computer, what and all cannot be done with a computer. Okay, the first one we'll see some do's. Okay, what can be done? Okay, we should keep a computer neat and clean. That every day we have to clean a computer. We should wipe a computer and we have to keep it clean, neat, isn't it? Is it good or bad? Yes, you're right. It is very good. Then we should share a computer with others, isn't it? Okay, we must share a computer with others. Is it neat? Is it right or wrong? Yes, you're right. Okay, we have to share a computer with our friends. Okay, then we should use the part of computer gently. Okay, like feather touch. Okay, we cannot has to push and pull like that. Okay, so we have to use a computer very gently. Okay, is it right or wrong? Yes, you're right. This is very right. Then we should sit properly while working on a computer. This is very true and you have to sit in a right posture. Only then you will be able to do your job with computer for a longer period. We are going to see some don'ts. Okay, now we are going to see some don'ts. We should not touch or pull the wires connected to a computer. We should not touch any wires with a computer. Okay, that is very bad habit. Okay, then we should not keep the speaker's volume high to hundreds. Okay, we should never keep our speaker's volume too high. Okay, we should always use the average volume like 50s, 60s only we should use. Okay, then we should not snatch the mouse or keyboard from a classmate. This is also very bad habit. Okay, then the final one, we should not bang on a computer and its parts. We should touch very gently. Okay, only then computer will love you and we can also work for a longer period. Come to the end of this session. Okay, now the class is going to end. We'll meet in next class. Till that, I'll take leave. Bye.